If you're looking for a wonderful gift idea for the mums in your life, you'll love our candle and diffuser gift set using our iconic white musk fragrance oil. We'll show you how to make both products easily with our step-by-step tutorial, starting with the candle, then the diffuser, and finishing with providing some inspiration for creating your gift basket. For our white musk scented candle, you'll need the following: 73.6 grams of Nature Wax C3 container wax, and 6.4 grams of Craftivator's white musk fragrance oil. You'll also need digital weighing scales, a double boiler, a 9cl candle glass from Craftivator, glue dots or wick stickers, a wick stabilizer, a Stabilo 8 wick from Craftivator, a thermometer, and a metal spoon. To start, wash and dry your candle glass thoroughly. Place a glue dot on the metal sustainer on the bottom of your wick and place in the center of the bottom of your glass. Fix your wick to your stabilizer, ensuring your wick is straight. Now, weigh out 73.6 grams of C3 wax and melt on a medium to low heat, checking the temperature periodically until it reaches 80 degrees, then remove from the heat. Allow the wax to cool to 70 degrees Celsius, then add 6.4 grams of white musk fragrance oil. Stir continuously for around 60 seconds to ensure the fragrance oil is fully mixed in. Now allow the wax to cool further until it reaches 58 to 60 degrees. Slowly fill your candle glass. Allow your candle to fully set. This should take around 1 to 2 hours. Once set, our candle had a small sinkhole, which can sometimes happen with C3 wax. A very short blast with a heat gun will melt the wax at the top of the candle, allowing that melted wax to fill the hole and simply allow it to set again. For more tips on troubleshooting candles, we have a great guide over on Craftivator Academy on our website. See the link in the description box down below. Now it's time to make the matching reed diffuser. To make our diffuser, you'll need the following: 80 grams of Ogio Clean Multi Diffuser Base from Craftivator, 20 grams of Craftivator's White Musk Fragrance Oil, a set of digital weighing scales, a Clayton 100ml clear diffuser bottle from Craftivator, a small funnel, a small measuring jug, Craftivator's gold metal reed diffuser cap and travel stopper, 10 natural fiber diffuser reeds from Craftivator, and a set of nitrile gloves. To make your diffuser, weigh out 80 grams of Ogio Clean Multi-Base into your measuring jug. Pour the weighed base into the bottle using your funnel. Next, measure out 20 grams of white musk fragrance oil using the same measuring jug, and pour this into your bottle again using your funnel. Now, place the plastic travel stopper into the neck of the diffuser bottle and screw the gold cap on to secure it tightly. Holding the neck and the base of the bottle, shake your mixture for around 30 to 60 seconds to fully combine your ingredients. As these are going into your gift basket, your diffuser is now complete. You simply need to include the reeds with your package. To put the gift basket together, start by placing your ribbon across the top of your basket and cross over the bottom of the basket, bringing the ribbon back to the sides, ready to tie once you fill your basket. Fill the basket with your chosen filler. We've used curled, shredded craft paper here, but you can use crinkle paper or shredded paper if you wish. We printed off our labels at home using adhesive paper. You can download these labels by following the link in our blog post in the description box below. Attach the labels to the diffuser bottle and the candle and place on each side of your basket. Gather your diffuser reeds and tie with a matching ribbon and place these in your basket. We've added a cute trinket dish to our basket, but of course you can use anything else in place. Consider things like her favorite chocolate, cozy socks, a pretty notebook, or anything you think the recipient might enjoy. We finished off with some faux greenery to give our basket a pretty botanical feel. Finally, bring your ribbon back up from the sides, crisscross under, and tie in a bow. Your gift box is now complete, and we're sure the mum in your life will just love it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for creating a Mother's Day candle and reed diffuser gift set. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to follow Craftivator on YouTube.